Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. Today I can proudly show you this absolutely stunning Suzuki GT250C from 1977. This was my bike 6 years ago and I sold it to a lovely guy called Tony, and to be honest, he only put 25 miles on it in 6 years. He just looked at it and kept it and loved it. So I was offered it back, so I bought it, and there it is. It's absolutely lovely. It has since been fitted with electronic ignition. The airbox has been completely revamped so it breathes better. I mean, the bike is absolutely glorious now. I mean, it was when I had it, but it's even better. Thanks for Tony, who has actually spent a fair bit of money on it just to get it running even better. It's got stainless wheels with spokes. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The colour's nice. It's the last model before the X7. The engine's been fully rebuilt as well with bills. Yeah, it's just lovely. I will fire it up. It's stone cold. I've just pulled it out of the conservatory as I've been cleaning it, like you do. Took the tank off, seat out, and just detailed it completely. Yeah, I can show you. It is absolutely stone cold. Nothing's been warmed up at all since a couple of days ago. So I will fire it up. There's not a lot of fuel, so I'm going to have to put it on prime, choke on. It does sound very nice with these cans, I'll be honest with you. The noise is insane. These micron cans. There we go. Let's turn it on. A bit slow because I cut my fingers. Alright, so let's give it a little kick. Should start. Lovely as that. I'll turn the choke off now. Lovely. Got a nice suck on the airbox now. Yeah, that's nice. That's a lovely bit of kit, this. Looking forward to getting this out. For a 49-year-old bike, well, it looks like new. You just don't get these bikes anymore like this. Knock it off. Yeah, the bike's nearly 50 years old. You just don't get bikes like this anymore. They're just lovely. No wonder everybody wants these. Anything from the 70s is just glorious. Well, there we go. I hope you enjoyed that little video. I have taken it years ago, about 6 years ago. It's in my channel, you'll see it. So it hasn't changed much. So please like and subscribe, as I'm sure there's going to be many more of these videos to follow. Thanks guys, cheers.